I'm so excited for what I'm about to document. I'm just super excited to finally do this. I moved into a new house. As you guys might have seen, the people that actually know me, like I used to have a single garage, and I finally got a 2-car garage. So it means I could bring my other car, the Technica, back to Miami. So what I'm gonna document is basically decking out or making this garage my dream 2-car garage. Because you know the dream is always to have a really big garage with a lot of cars, but this time I'm gonna make this garage my dream 2-car garage, which means we're gonna epoxy the floors, paint the walls, get some lighting in here. As you can see, it's super dark with like only 2 lights in here. We're gonna do everything, like I mean everything. So let me show you guys what my plan is, and let me show you guys how the garage currently looks, because I mean I can barely fit the Evo in here with, you know, moving and all of that. We have a big mess here, but it's time to do the garage finally. So this is how the garage currently sits. Like you see, I could only fit 1 car. This giving some stuff away. But before, I only had these 2 double workbenches. I didn't have that. I had like closet racks all across the roof on the single garage. And with that, I was able to store everything away and have everything organized. So I also had a pegboard with all the tools and everything. And like I said, you know, with that, I was able to keep things organized in a single garage. But now you can see the mess that we have. I could barely fit the Evo in here, as you can see. But this is what the plan is. The plan is, I'm gonna make a table, another workbench, with this wood size. So the table's gonna sit on top of this Gladiator storage unit / workbench. The thing with this is I need to make a table on top because I am 6'4", and this is way too low for me. So then I have to be bending my back down and everything, and I just prefer putting it on top. So we're gonna try to make it very flush. As you can see, we're gonna try to make, instead of 2 tables like we had before, we're gonna make 1, and we're gonna make it very flush with this workbench. So it's just gonna sit on top of it, and we're still gonna be able to use this Gladiator storage unit underneath the workbench. And then we also got a Gladiator storage wall unit, which I'm gonna wall mount on that corner so we can't see none of this mess and have it very organized. We also have another one that's a floating storage unit, which is gonna go on this side. And then we also have the pegboard, which is white right now, but we're gonna paint black, and that's gonna go there with all the tools against the wall. We're gonna remove everything from here, everything. We're gonna epoxy the floors. We're gonna paint the walls white, because I do detail cars and everything, so I need this to be very bright, you know, as much light as we could bring in here. I think I'm gonna do a semi-gloss. And we're also gonna paint the roof. Then we also have to put a garage door opener motor in it. We'll install that as well. And then we have to switch all these lights to these 8 feet lights that I had on the other garage. They were super good, but I'm gonna get 4. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, and then I'm gonna put another one over there and another one over here. So we need to do some electrical work as well. And that's basically it. Once we do that and we get these floors shiny and epoxied, we're gonna have like a sick setup and a sick garage. So let's start. I'm gonna go ahead and start today with just preparing this table so we can remove these workbenches from here, put this against the wall. And I just wanted to build a workbench so at least I could work for now, but this is gonna be a several day process. The other thing that I have to do is I have to paint all the walls, so we'll probably do that first. And then, you know, mount everything that we need to mount to the wall and everything. So this should be a very good series. I'm excited to see how this is gonna come out, because, you know, this is basically like my second house. I spent a lot of time working on this car and other cars in the garage. So let's go ahead and get started.
today I get to do one of the things I've been wanting to do for the longest, which is my floor. Epoxy floors, glossy finish, everything.
The fact that this is my garage, like, blows my mind. You guys a quick walk around the garage and showing you guys how I set everything up. So I put the Evo here on this side because the Evo is a little bit longer. The Technica is way shorter actually, so it's gonna fit more comfortable on the right side. Now, bike's up there, so it didn't bother me at all. Evo on this side. TV, all my detailing supplies, must, all my general tools that you could kind of use here and there. My main toolbox, my main power tools are down here, all organized. A lot of bolts, a lot of miscellaneous things, gloves and things on this drawer, all my drill bits and everything on this drawer, more tools and a lot of bolts miscellaneous things, and then a lot of oils and things like that. I still got to organize this completely because I do want to organize everything like from top to bottom. All my microfiber towels, which I need to set a rack for that and everything for detailing. But you guys kind of get the idea of how I organized it. Then on this side, I did install, I don't know what brand this is. Oh, by the way, Gladiators. Shout out to Norman for the Gladiators. Pegboard, just in case. I'll try to put everything down in the link in the description below. I don't know where this is from actually. Well, actually, yeah, there you go. You could get it there, garagepause.com. This is more for my jack stands, my gas tanks, which I want as further away from the house as possible, just in case there's ever a fire, Lord forbid. But yeah, so garage pause, and then I'll try to link the bike rack that I bought. And that's pretty much it. The Craftsman, you guys are gonna see a video. I'm gonna try to make a video. Well, I'm not gonna try to make a video. I already recorded everything, so I'm gonna be posting in the next couple of weeks a how to epoxy your floor next weekend, I believe. And then next weekend, I'm gonna put the one for how to install your garage motor, just in case anybody's interested in doing this yourself. Because it is simple, you just gotta like watch the video and follow everything. But I am gonna post that for anybody that's interested in doing this themselves to try to save a little bit of money on the cost of building your own garage. So I'm super, super grateful to be able to have a garage like this. Like literally, I feel like I'm playing a video game. And I really mean when I say that. Like I remember playing Need for Speed Underground and like going into the garage, being able to modify my car and saying like damn, this is super cool. Like, I don't know if anybody gets me. Like, I'm pretty sure people do get me, but literally I feel like I'm playing a video game in real life. This is just insane to me. Like, I still remember like when I first got my first car and not having a garage, like I will envision like me having my 2-car garage with an Evo, like my dream car. And like, I don't know how to, like, honestly, I'm lost for words. Like the fact that, I was able to accomplish this, it's a really small accomplishment. Like the goal is always to go bigger. I'm never like satisfied. But sometimes we don't like take things in and like sit down and realize like, damn, I accomplished that. So like this was one of my accomplishments for sure. And I kind of want to let that soak in and like say like, hey, you accomplished that. Because that's something I really struggle with. It's just like I'm always looking for that next thing. Like I'm already looking for the next build, looking for that next car, looking for that next garage, warehouse, hangar. Like I'm always looking higher, but like I really need to like enjoy this and be grateful that I have this. Because like, I don't know, it's just insane. Like I didn't have a garage. I built my car with a single garage, man. Like it's just insane. Like I'm very grateful, honored, and I just hope this motivates everybody out there and like that they really go out and try to seek and find what they want to do and what they're passionate about, and just keep grinding, man. That's like for real, comes from my heart. Keep grinding, take care, and I'll see you guys next weekend.